What do you say there, folks? We gonna do some carne asada. Or not we, Billy. It's a Wild Bill on the case here. It's our Blackstone. You may see this thank you. Before I show you the actual video about the Blackstone, I don't know. Pretty cool though. We had a chuck roast shaved up at the butcher, and old Billy got the meat cleaver after it and lopped up a bunch of those little thin shaved chuck steaks like that. Boy, that's some good stuff. Anyway, we're going to try to make some carne asada, white boy style, I reckon. All right. We're still trying to figure out the temperature on this damn thing. Sal, we need some Blackstone advice, buddy. Where are you doing stuff like this? Sal, Root Boy Cooks. Well, I hope I put this on. I remember to put the link to his channel up there. He's got some badass Blackstone griddle just like this one. I need some advice, buddy. Tell us where we should have the temperature controlled. We got them halfway, roughly. I don't know. Maybe they should be higher. We're trying to figure it out. It sure smells amazing. I don't know what all he put on there, but that is some good smelling.
Tahini and salt.
Tahini and salt, maybe.
Yeah. Hopefully not.
Sounds good. It looks good to me. Look here. Old Wild Bill kicking smash on this, man. I'm gonna tell you something. Wow, God dang. Tender. Boy, it's tender. I like it. Thin slice like that. Yeah. That's good. Yes, sir. We had to make a makeshift bucket out of the old grease catch on the oldest smoker I got. So it seems to be working. But, we got it almost 2 level. Nothing's running anywhere. It's just kind of staying. I had it leaning back yesterday, but cooked some bacon this morning. I filled the bucket up in like 5 minutes. You're doing good, buddy. Looking good. We're gonna eat good tonight. He ate the whole thing before I get the camera turned on. It must be good.
All hunger.
Look here. Hope the boy done. Oh man. All right. Son, you done a good job, buddy. Some finish out of that stuff. That's good. Look at that. Little Wild Bill made.
Awesome.
Damn, son. You gonna put old daddy out of business. It's some best looking food I've seen in a while, isn't it? Good, yes. That was awesome. Got some feta cheese, some verde, tahini. Oh, I forgot the lime. I forgot to put lime on mine. Got a little cheese, some onion. Then a little bit of cilantro. It's all good. It's an organized crime here. We got it good. Look at that.
Sounds so dirty.
Well, give me more of that lime. I forgot about that stuff. Essential. I dig that shirt, man. Led Zeppelin. Keep going. Keep on smiling. Bye-bye.